Posting of SALN on Facebook page and website of House of Representatives, this is what Kamangawa Party List Representative Eli San Fernando has to suggest to make SALN more accessible to the public. Some Solons raise security concerns. Let us hear more of this in this Mela Lismoras report.
Kamanggagawa Party List Representative Eli San Fernando has a few suggestions on how to make it easier for the public to access the statements of assets, liabilities, and net worth or SALNs of House Solons. He said this can be requested directly from their offices. Or to make the process faster, the SALNs can also be posted on the official website or Facebook page of the House of Representatives.
Ang gusto natin, sa pinakamadali at pinakamabilis na paraan na ma-access ng mga tao yung SALN, mas maganda. Wala na masyado dapat burokrasya. Subject syempre sa mga existing na mga batas natin, such as data privacy.
According to San Fernando, he understands that some representatives are hesitant to release their SALNs due to security concerns. However, he emphasized that this is part of their sworn duty.
Hayaan natin na usisain yung buhay natin ng mga tao. When we entered public service, nag-decide din tayo na yung private life natin ay sinasakripisyo na natin at ibinubukas natin yung buhay natin sa mapang-usisang mata. Every peso, every centavos na sinasahod dito sa House of Representatives at napupunta sa ating mga opisina, dapat malaman yan paano ginagasta.
In the name of transparency and accountability, House Speaker Faustino Bojidi III had already released his SALN. It showed that his total assets amount to over 121 million pesos, while his total liabilities exceed 47 million pesos, giving him a net worth of around 74 million pesos. Along with the release of his SALN, Speaker D also formally reconstituted the SALN Review and Compliance Committee of the House of Representatives, which will oversee the rules and guidelines on the public disclosure of the SALNs of lawmakers. According to Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sendanya, he believes that Speaker D's move will greatly encourage other members of the House to voluntarily release their own SALNs. Meanwhile, Kabataan Party List Representative Rene Co added that it should not only be the lawmakers but also other government officials who must make their SALNs public. Mela Lismoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.